The table is set and the fireplace is roaring. And Mrs. Camerlander's Culinary 1 class is hard at work whipping up an amazing holiday meal for the staff at GFW High School.
The event we just did was we made a Thanksgiving meal for a bunch of the staff members. We made turkey, of course, and mashed potatoes and gravy, a stuffing, and we made corn and bread and butter, and pumpkin pie.
I helped make the cranberry sauce. I skinned the gizzards. I gutted the turkey. I helped out with setting tables. I got the water ready.
The Academies at GFW are all about letting students explore different career paths and learn important life skills. The culinary pathway is one of many that teaches important skills, all while making fun memories with their friends.
When I look back on this event, I'll remember like cooking with Tori and my other kitchen group.
I have a lot of students who do cook at home. Some, they claim that they can make great, elegant meals. Some actually do all the cooking for their family. I would like them to take away some of the skills that they learned. I would like them to take away that it takes planning, that it takes planning not only the meal, but also the planning process for getting everything to come out on time. That is one of the biggest, the meal preparation, the meal timing is huge. And that's something that's a learned skill through practice.
Hands-on learning, a strong community, and career and college readiness stand tall at GFW Public Schools. We are thankful for our students and are honored to be able to grow future world-class leaders.